napakabait na bata. Talagang siya yung nagbago sa aming pagsasama. Kasi sobrang siya talaga yung bundle of joy namin. Simula pa nung baby siya, napaka-sweet, napakabait, and yun, napaka-masunuring bata.
Si Madison, at first, syempre, normal naman sa bata na medyo, medyo magkukulit. Pero isang sabi lang, susundin niya, and very studious, and wala ka nang hihilingin pa. Siya na yan, yun na yung perfect kind of daughter na pwede matara.
These are the good days. Feel the flow, feel the beauty we bring. There's a whole wide world starting to sing. That these are the good days.
Ang promise namin sis, ibibigay namin lahat hanggat kaya namin yung hindi namin nakuha ng mga bata kami. Hindi lahat ng gusto mo mabibigay namin, pero as much as possible lahat ng kailangan mo pagtatrabahuhan namin ni nanay at ng tatay.
Promise na gagawin namin ni tatay lahat for you and Margo. Tatry namin yung best namin na mabigay lahat ng gusto mo.
Motion, sweet motion. Come on, show me what you got. So graceful, so grateful. I've got you here and now. These are the good days. These are the good days.
Happy birthday, Madison. Ang wish namin lagi ni tatay maging healthy and happy ka. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Madison. You mean the world to us. So, sana magustuhan mo. Sana hanggang paglaki mo na medyo, alam mo yun, nasa tamang age ka na. Sana mapanood mo yung video na ito and magustuhan mo lahat ng pin-repair namin. Hindi lang namin, ni nanay at tatay, pero lahat ng taong para sila.
These are the good days. These are the good days.
Happy birthday, Madison. We love you.